Hello friends, welcome to GK session, General Knowledge Class 5th Tuesday session. After Bina Teacher's 3 successive classes, I welcome you once again back to 29 lesson, 30 and 31 lesson. During this session, we will talk about 29 fun in the air. Dear students, you have seen aeroplanes or helicopters flying into the air. Sometimes we think about the kites are flying into the air, balloons are going up, flying planes. But there are some other sports also in it. Let us see what is that. First one is gliding. A glider does not just take off into the air, it towed a vehicle or a plane before it is launched into the air. Then warm rising air takes place and glider is going up and pilot is floating. This is called gliding skill. Then next comes skydiving. Parachute is not used for emergency landing. Parachute is a one kind of sports also. Skydiver is jumping from highest plane and targets on the lane and joining other parachutes while free falling. Sometime free falling they make large formation also in the air. This is also very popular game. Then comes hot air balloon. Mongol Fire Brothers in 1783, first of all, they have introduced this hot air balloon with the gas to carry the people from one place to the another. Now, modern balloons are made of very light fabric and they control with the gas burning heaters, and that is warm inside the bag and make up the balloon rise. When the balloon sinks, the heaters are turned on and lift it up. Next comes aerobatics. Imagine if pilots are doing stunt into the air. Sometimes they are making amazing stunt, loops, spin, rolling the plane. Such display aerobatics are popular during the air show, and the aircraft is used in a small and strong and easy to fly. Next comes hang gliding. There is a no runway in hang gliding. This is a sports which one launches from the top hill by running into the oncoming wind and soaring into the sky. The movement of hang glider is controlled by shifting the weight of the body. You can see in the picture. Then microlight planes. Some hang gliders powered too. They can reach speed up to the 160 km per hour. Pilots sit under the wings, steer the hang glider by shifting the body weight. Sometimes pilots steer the glider by operating ailerons on the flaps or on the wings. Next comes the parachute. Have you observed the parachute properly? If you have the observed, you can understood that it is just like an umbrella, 20 feet across. Parachute spreads out far and cannot push the air out on its way easily. That is why it is moving very slowly. Sometimes it is open automatically, but very often parachute jumper opens after jumping. Parachute has a small hole at the top. Some of the air trapped under umbrella escape through it. The opening helps to make the fall smooth and steady. Usually parachutes are made of thin, tough material such as silk and nylon. Here we ends our lesson. Then we will continue furthermore for lesson number 30 and discuss it. Please write the underlined word as your question and answer points. Thank you.